Why do billionaires spend millions of dollars on paintings that honestly don't even look that good? It's not just about taste, and it's definitely not random. It's because they understand something most people were never taught. Here's how it really works. Imagine a billionaire facing a massive tax bill. Instead of paying everything in cash like most people, they start looking for assets, but not just any asset. They look for art. They might spend tens of millions on a painting that to most people looks confusing or even meaningless. But the value of art isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it's priced. Unlike stocks or real estate, art doesn't have a fixed market value. Its price is often based on expert opinions, private sales, and auction results, which means it can be valued very differently depending on the situation. Now here's where things get interesting. High-value artworks are often stored in places called freeports. These are secure storage facilities, usually located in tax-friendly zones. Inside a freeport, assets like art can be stored for years without triggering certain taxes like import duties. Meanwhile, the artwork itself can increase in value over time, sometimes because of market demand, sometimes because of how it's appraised.
And then comes the key move. Instead of selling the artwork, the owner may choose to donate it to a museum or institution. When they do that, in many countries, they can receive a tax deduction based on the appraised value of the artwork, not what they originally paid, but what it's currently valued at. So if a painting bought for $50 million is now valued higher, the tax benefit can also be significant. At the same time, the museum gets a valuable piece, the donor gets public recognition, and their tax burden may be reduced. Now, this doesn't mean every expensive artwork is part of a strategy, and not every billionaire uses art this way. But the system around art, valuation, and taxation creates opportunities that most people never even think about. So the next time you see a painting sell for millions and wonder why it's so expensive, remember this. For some people, it's not just art, it's an asset, a store of value, and sometimes a very strategic financial decision. If you enjoy learning how money, systems, and everyday things really work, subscribe to Perfect Guide. Because once you understand the system, you start seeing the world very differently.